Okay, now let's draw the graph of function fx is equal to fractional part of x. What is domain of this function? We can take any real value of x. So domain is set R, set of all real numbers. Okay. What is the range of the function? Function का range क्या होता है? What are possible values of fractional part of x? Possible values are close interval 0 to open interval 1. This is range of the function. Okay, so we will have a graph between x-axis and line y is equal to 1. ठीक है, इस strip में इस function का graph होगा. Okay. Now what do we write this function as x minus greatest integer of x? Okay. For integral values of x, value of fractional part of x will be 0. Okay, so we have just points on the graph. For integral values of x, value of fraction part is 0. Okay, so we will have this points on the graph. तो ये points कुछ मार्क कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे जो ग्राफ के ऊपर होंगे. Okay, then we consider values of x between consecutive integers. When x belongs to 0 to 1, जब x 0 and 1 के बीच में होगा, its greatest integer will be 0. So we will have fx is equal to x when x belongs to open interval 0 to 1. Okay, and graph of this will be straight line. Y is equal to x passing through origin and inclined at an angle 45 degree with positive x-axis, but this function is for only these values of x. So we have this part of the line like this with cavity here. यहाँ पे cavity होगा ना, क्योंकि 1 पे function का value 0 है. Okay, and here we have open interval 0 to 1. Okay, then we consider values of x between 1 and 2. Value of greatest integer will be 1. Okay, so in this interval fraction part of x will be x minus 1 for x belongs to 1 to 2. Okay, and graph of this will be straight line parallel to this line and intersecting x-axis at 1. Okay, so we will have this line, this part of the line like this. Okay, having cavity here. यहाँ पे हमेशा cavity आएगा, blank point आएगा. Okay, then we consider x belongs to open interval 2 to 3. Value of greatest integer will be 2. So for x belongs to open interval 2 to 3, function fx, fraction part of x will be x minus 2. Again this line will be parallel to this line, parallel to this lines. Okay, and will intersect x-axis at x is equal to 2. So we will have this part of the line. Okay, वो समझ में आ रहा है. आगे क्या होगा? Next we will have this line. Okay, then this line and so on. इस तरह से lines आते जाएंगे. Okay, similarly we will now we consider one interval for negative values of x. When x belongs to minus 1 to 0, value of greatest integer will be minus 1. So function fx will be x minus minus 1, x plus 1. This is for x belongs to minus 1 to 0. Okay, and graph will be part of the line y is equal to x plus 1 intersecting x-axis at minus 1. So we will have this graph between minus 1 and 0. Then between minus 2 and minus 1 we will have this graph. Then we will have this and so on. Okay, इस तरह से इसका ग्राफ आएगा. From the graph we can say that fraction part of x is periodic function having length of period 1. ये जो function है वो periodic है. ठीक है, ग्राफ रिपीट हो रहा है ना. और function का period क्या है? Period is 1. Function का period 1 है. ठीक है. So we have one periodic function other than trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions तो periodic होते हैं, उसके अलावा हमारे पास अब ये एक और function है fractional part of x. Okay. Also, function is discontinuous at all integral values of x. x की हर एक इंटीग्रल वैल्यू पे ये फंक्शन डिसकंटिन्यूस है. वी हैव अ जंप. ओके, यहाँ से जंप होके नीचे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी जंप होके वैल्यू नीचे आ रहा है, इस तरह से. ठीक है. सो एट ऑल इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स फंक्शन इज डिसकंटिन्यूस. और कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन आप बता सकते हैं? ग्राफ जो है वो y इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1 के बीच में है. वी हैव रेंज ऑफ फंक्शन क्लोज इंटरवल 0 टू ओपन इंटरवल 1. ओके, इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे ब्लैंक पॉइंट्स आने चाहिए. वी मस्ट हैव कैविटीज हियर, होलो पॉइंट्स, ब्लैंक पॉइंट्स. ओके, एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो remember the equations of lines on which this line segments lie. Like for this line segment we have line y is equal to x. For this we have line y is equal to x minus 1. For this we have line y is equal to x minus 3. For this we have line y is equal to x plus 3. ठीक है, ये हमें पता होना चाहिए. And here each line segment makes an angle 45 degree with positive x-axis. Slope of each line segment is 1. Okay. Now using this graph we can find number of solutions of some equations. Like we have equation fractional part of x is equal to 0.5 power x. We have to find number of solutions. इस equation के कितने solutions होंगे, कैसे पता लगाएंगे? We will use graphical approach. We will draw the graphs of functions y is equal to fractional part of x and y is equal to 0.5 power x. What will be graph of y is equal to 0.5 power x? Here base is less than 1, so we will have a decreasing function. Graph will be like this. You know the graph of exponential functions when base is less than 1. Okay, and we can see that this graph intersects the graph of फ्रैक्शन पार्ट ऑफ x इन इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, ये जो ग्राफ है वो इसको इनफाइनाइट बार इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स आएंगे आगे. ठीक है ना. सो देयर विल बी इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस विल बी इनफाइनाइट. देन वी कंसिडर दिस इक्वेशन fractional part of x is equal to sin x for minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Okay, we draw the graph of y is equal to sin x for this values of x. We have this graph. Okay, and we can see that graph of y is equal to sin x intersects the graph of y is equal to fraction part of x at 4 points. 4 points पे कट कर रहा है. 1 point is 0. Okay, this line will be tangent to y is equal to sin x at 0. ये हम कर चुके हैं concept. So 1 point of intersection is 0. And we will have 3 more points of intersection here, here and here. Okay, so there will be 4 solutions. इस equation के 4 solutions होंगे. यहाँ पे कोई भी solution नहीं आएगा. There is no solution for x less than 0. ठीक है ना. Now consider equation fractional part of x is equal to log of x to the base 4. Let's find number of solutions. We will draw the graph of function y is equal to log x. Here base of log is 4 which is more than 1. So we will have an increasing function. जब log function का base 1 से ज़्यादा होता है तो log function increase करता है. For base less than 1 log function decreases, but for base more than 1 log function increases. Okay, now graph will cross x-axis. Graph of log function will cross x-axis at x is equal to 1 because value of log 1 is 0 for any base. Okay, now some students just remember the shape of the graph and draw the graph like this. ठीक है, shape wise graph is okay, but technically with respect to the graph of y is equal to fraction part of x, this graph is wrong. Now if you draw a graph like this, then we will say, sir, there is only one solution, that is x is equal to 1. There is only one point of intersection. But this is wrong. Now here, fraction part of x function attains height 1 above x-axis. However, height cannot be exactly 1. Okay, it will be slightly less than 1, close to 1. So here we have to check when the height of log function will be 1. When the value of y will be 1, log x to the base 4 is equal to 1, then value of x will be 4. Okay, that means graph of log x function will attain height 1 at x is equal to 4, and after x is equal to 4, for x more than 4, height will be more than 1. Okay, so graphs won't intersect for x more than 4. ठीक है, अगर log function का height 1 से बढ़ गया तो वो कभी फ्रैक्शन पार्ट ऑफ x के ग्राफ को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो this is very important point. 4 comma 1. Okay, now we draw the graph of log function. Okay, it passes through point 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 1. Okay, now here x is equal to 4 is not a solution. ये तो solution नहीं होगा ना. The reason is graph of log passes through this blank point. This is blank point. So this is not a point of intersection. इसको हम point of intersection नहीं गिनेंगे. Then how many solutions will be there? How many points of intersection of graphs? One point is x is equal to 1 and one point here. Okay, between 2 and 3. So there will be only two solutions, x is equal to 1 and one solution in the interval 2 to 3, ओपन इंटरवल 2 to 3. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो सॉल्यूशंस आएंगे. ठीक है ना. अगर आप लॉग का ग्राफ गलत ड्रॉ करेंगे, टेक्निकली गलत ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो आपके नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस गलत आएंगे. यू मे हैव वन सॉल्यूशन और यू मे हैव मोर देन टू सॉल्यूशंस इफ यू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ लाइक दिस. ठीक है, तो हमें लॉग फंक्शन की हाइट पे ध्यान रखना है कि उसका हाइट 1 कब होता है. ओके, also we can check that graph of log x function intersects this line segment only once at x is equal to 1 only. The reason is slope of this line segment is 1. Okay, what will be slope of log x to the base 4? For that we will differentiate this function. Okay, we know the derivative of log x to the base e, which is 1 upon x. Okay, so what we do, we use the change of base property. Log x to the base 4 is log x to the base e upon log 4 to the base e. Okay, now derivative of this is 1 upon x, so we have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x multiplied by log 4 to the base e. Okay, when you take value x more than 1, then this value will be लेस देन 1. ठीक है, मोर देन 1 के लिए ये वैल्यू लेस देन 1 होगा. log 4 टू द बेस e इज ऑलरेडी मोर देन 1. ओके, सो इफ यू टेक x मोर देन 1, this value will be less than 1. So slope of log function will be less than 1. So log function will remain below the graph of fraction part of x, below this line segment. Okay, so there will be only one point of intersection of log function with this line segment. ठीक है, so there will be two solutions. ये भी हम चेक कर सकते हैं, otherwise किसी को डाउट आ सकता है. Now let's solve an equation which we solved earlier. Equation is x square minus 3 is equal to fraction part of x. We used non-graphical method there. Here we will use a graphical method. We will draw the graph of function y is equal to x square minus 3. What will be graph? Graph will be parabola, concave upward, because coefficient of x square is 1, positive. Okay, it will intersect y-axis at 0 comma minus 3. Okay, and x-axis at plus minus root 3 comma 0. So we will have a graph like this. Okay, graph passes through this point 2 comma 1. Put here x is equal to 2, we get value of y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 is not a solution. X is equal to 2 solution नहीं होगा ना, because here curve parabola passes through this cavity, blank point. तो ये solution नहीं होगा. Okay, there will be only one solution at this point of intersection. How we get value of x for this point? कैसे निकालेंगे x का value इस point के लिए? Now this line segment lies on the line y is equal to x plus 2. ठीक है, ये line segment y is equal to x plus 2 के ऊपर होगा ना. Okay, so what do you do? We replace here fraction part of x by x plus 2. Okay, then we solve this quadratic. We have quadratic x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, values of x will be 1 plus minus root 21. Discriminant is 21. Okay, so we have 1 plus minus root 21 upon 2. But for this point, we will consider negative value of x. So x will be 1 minus root 21 upon 2. So there is only one solution, and solution is x is equal to 1 minus root 21 upon 2. So this is a easier method. We have easier approach. ग्राफिकल मेथड से हमें पता चल जाता है कि कितने रूट्स होंगे. ओके, वी कैन लोकेट रूट्स इजीली एंड वी कैन सॉल्व द इक्वेशन इजीली. ठीक है, आपको याद होगा पिछले मेथड में हमें थोड़ा टाइम लगा था, हमें इनइक्वालिटीज काफ़ी सॉल्व करनी पड़ी थी, बट हियर वी हैव टू जस्ट सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. Hope you like this video. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.